you, my pretty fair maid? And who are you, my honey? Ho, who are you, my pretty fair maid? Who are you, my honey? She answered me quite modestly, I am me mother's darling. With me tour I have all the diddle dum, diary fall the diddle dairy. Oh, will you come to me mother's house when the moon is shining clearly? Oh, will you come to me mother's house when the moon is shining clearly? And open the door and I'll let you in, and devil the one will hear us. With me tour I have all the diddle dum, diary fall the diddle dairy. Oh, so I went to her house in the middle of the night when the moon was shining clearly. Oh, I went to her house in the middle of the night, the moon was shining clearly. She opened the door and she let me in, and devil the one did hear us. With me tour I have all the diddle dum, diary fall the diddle dairy. Oh. Took my horse by the bridle and the bit, and she led him to the stable. She took my horse by the bridle and the bit, she led him to the stable. There's plenty of oats for a soldier's horse, he let them if he's able. With me tour I have all the diddle dum, diary fall the diddle dairy. Oh, well, she took me by her lily white hand and she led me to the table. She took me by her lily white hand and she led me to the table. There's plenty of wine for a soldier boy, he'll drink it if he's able. With me tour I am, fall the diddle dum, diary fall the diddle dairy. Oh. She made me bed and she made it nice and easy. Oh, she got up and she made me bed, she made it nice and easy. I got up and I laid her down, said, lassie, are you able for me tour I have all the diddle dum, diary fall the diddle dairy. Oh. So there we lay till the break of the day, and devil the one did hear us. So there we lay till the break of the day, and devil the one did hear us. I got up, put on me clothes, and lassie, I must leave you. With me tour I have all the diddle dum, diary fall the diddle dairy. Oh. Return again, and when will we be married? Oh, when will you return again, and when will we be married? When broken shells make Christmas bells, we might well get married. With me tour I am, fall the diddle dum, diary fall the diddle dairy. Oh, so who are you, my pretty fine maid, and who are you, my honey? Oh, who are you, my pretty fine maid, who are you, my honey? She answered me quite modestly, I am your mother's darling. With me tour I fall the diddle dum, diary fall the diddle dairy.